Here's this little coffee grinder. You can see right here is a lock and unlock where you load the coffee beans in the top. The charging port is right on top. It takes the C charger, right, you just insert the C charger there. And this is the, catches the grinds. And inside of this, there is an adjustment for coarseness. So you can see fine to coarse, and you just turn this knob and it will take you to where you want to be. So we'll do just a middle grind, and this says no more than 30 grams of beans or any other, if you want to do spices, no more than 30 grams. So I measured out 30 grams right here. 30 grams is, you can see it's a little bit heaped. It's a third of a cup right there is for coffee beans. That's about 30 grams. So we're gonna try and, turned it on accidentally, but we're gonna see if we can get the top off here. Unlock, pull the top off. We're gonna see if we can put these beans right inside the grinder. So this is exactly 30 grams, so you can fill this grinder up so it's right to the top, and that should work. And then we're gonna put this lid back on, see if we can find the right place to put it on. We have an arrow right there on it, so let's find the arrow. Not seeing where this little arrow right here goes, but we'll put it Where does that little arrow go on the bottom? There's no arrow on the bottom to match it up to. Kind of hard to get it back on in the right spot. In fact, it's like almost impossible. Okay, there's a mark on it. Maybe we can use that mark. No. Just not quite getting it back onto where it needs to be. Okay, I'd like to demonstrate this, but I just can't seem to any way I do it, it doesn't seem to want to go back down. So, okay, you can only do one video. Here's my basic problem. There's the inside of it. It's got a little square hole that you're supposed to put this square piece into, and I am just not seeing how to do that. I believe that I have it in the right spot because it's right there, but it's not going down, and that's the right amount of beans. So I'm kind of stymied right from the get-go on this one.